Hey everybody, it's Jason from What Hides Inside. Got this thing pretty much wrapped up. Got, pretty much all the carving done. All the painting I'm going to do on it, I believe. And getting ready to bury it in some clear. Just kind of help protect it a little bit. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I don't think I did too bad for it being my first log, really. I'm used to doing more guitars and stuff like that, but I wanted to go bigger. So if you like it, hit like. Give me some comments. Share with your friends. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video, everybody. Till next time.